Kuringana na riboti ireheanitwo ni wabici ya munene wa thitango cia muingi kuri kamiti ya bunge igie githomo, gicunji kinene kia macira maria mahanditwo igoti-ini megie wuici wa igeranio ni kuria EKUIRWO mananyitikana na maratathi ma igeranio mugaru na watho. Hari macira 53 maria mandikithitio kuma mwaka wa 2019, macira matanyihiire 40 marathii na mbere, na kuringana na wabici ya DPP mamwe ma macira maya makoretwo makioya ihinda ni kwaga unyitaniri wa honge itiganite riria maabitha a uthuthuria maracokaniriria wuira.
And one of the reasons why many cases are being withdrawn or they take very long is that when there is exam cheating and we report in the newspapers, the matter is very hot. But with time, these people are very reluctant to come to court to give evidence.
We have instances where the evidential threshold has not been met, and so there are areas that require to be covered, and we will return the files to the investigative agencies to cover the gaps.
Thengia ya uthuthuria uria ukoretwo ukihanika o mwaka riria kwagia na ciiko cia wuici wa igeranio, mianya no ithiite na mbere kwiyumiria, kamiti ino igitaririo bata wa guthuthuria na kinyi honge ciothe iria ikuruhanagio na igeranio.
It's impossible to say that people can have exams if the person who gave that exam is not an accused person. But that is why investigators must actually be capacitated to be able to go for these people.
Thiini wa kiria kamiti ino igwetete ta ngucanio gatagati ka ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI na wabici ya DPP iguru rigie EKUIRWO a wuici wa igeranio kuhingurirwo thitango, wabici ya DPP ni iteteire uruti wira wayo na mihaka gatagati ka honge ciere.
They feel that they bring a watertight case. According to them, their work is to collect facts. Their work is not to say whether case is watertight or not. Even for the prosecutors, where we say that we've got sufficient evidence with a reasonable prospect of conviction, it is according to us. The judiciary is still there to say whether or not we have met the threshold that they require. So let them do their work as they are required, and that they know we will do our work and not blame each other.
Hamwe na mangi, watho wendekithitie kioho kia miaka 10 gucoka na thi kuri EKUIRWO a ciiko cia wuici wa igeranio. Honge ici ikiendekithia kugacirithio makiria kwa watho uyu niguo gutigirira EKUIRWO marekio matinacokera ciiko ici.
I think we must go for ancillary orders. For example, officers who compromise examinations, schools, and even examiners, invigilators, they should be barred. For example, an example of an ancillary order: barred from administering examinations for 5 years, or barred from teaching, or a school can be barred for something.
We have the investigators, we have the prosecutors handling the matters, then we have the matter coming before court. It may be difficult to be very prescriptive about a particular time, but I think in the wisdom of the committee, you can look at within the year, probably within the year that the exam is done. Let's say within a year of the exam being done, the matter is resolved so that those lessons are learned and taken for the next period.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadirwa.